Good morning, everyone. If you're hopping on, say hi. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. I'm going to pick the winner for the Candy Cane Lipson's kit. That's the one I announced in the starting of this month. We grew almost, I would say, nearly 40 people in this month. So that's a huge, what is it like? Thing for me. So thank you so much whoever have added it. I know there are like still so many people who are in the preview mode, so if you still want to continue, you need to accept it, or else Facebook will remove you after a month from the preview mode. So if you are wanting to part of the group, please do accept the invite from your friend. And so this is the giveaway prize. So one winner is going to get the Candy Cane Lipson's kit. Let me show what they are going to get. They are going to get a full-size Candy Cane Lipson's color, which is perfect red for Christmas, and they're going to get a full-size glossy gloss. Glossy is my all-time favorite. If I'm doing my first impressions, I always do with the glossy gloss, and glossy gloss is one which you can always wear even the day you don't wear any shade. Or if you're new to Lipson's and if you have dry chapped lips, and sometimes Lipson's may tingle a bit because it has SD40 alcohol, cosmetic grade alcohol in it. So you can even wear glossy at night when you go to bed. That way they can moisturize, and you won't have the tingly feeling at all, and you will also get a full size oops remover free. So this is the starter kit. So anytime when you buy a Lipson's, you need to buy a color of your choice, a gloss of your choice, and remover. So that's the one they're going to get. I checked so many times of all the entries. I made sure I confirmed with whoever have entered, and I have added it. So if you're hopping on, say hi, and let's pick the winner for that. And before that, let me finish my announcement. So if you're a Kiss and Tell member, the promotion for the what to say like the lip balm is still there. So if you order $100 more on the website, you still get the lip balm free. That is still going on. And the men's products are on 15% throughout the month. That's still on too. And for the grab bags, today was the last day, so I already packed whoever have ordered it. I just wanted to make sure I added enough stuff for them to enjoy it. Anytime when I do grab bags or sale, you will always get more for your worth. For example, if you see even the samples, each sample I pay and buy, including the beauty book. To be fair, like if you see the brightening multivitamin sample and all, that one sachet is for $3. So when I pack multiple samples, that itself comes to around $5 to $10 each time when I send it to you guys. And that's why I pack free gifts, free the things that can coordinate with whatever you bought. Like if you buy foundation, I always make sure to include a beauty blender or something. If you buy shadow suns, I always make sure to do brushes. If I do gold mask, I used to send the headband or the applicator, something or the other. I always make sure I add more value to it. And the hair care one, I think almost 8 spots are filled out. There are only 10 spots, so I just have 2 more left. I know majority are for always the hair recovery. That is the one I used. I've been using it for more than 2 years now. I sometimes use the other 2 line, but not very often. But my son uses the hair plenish all the time, because I want his hair to be soft, but at the same time he doesn't need hair growth supplement kind. But whereas I am closer to 39 now, turning 39 in February, so I obviously need it. So I use the hair recovery line. So as I mentioned, there were only 10 spots, and it's going to be in Insta. So if you're still interested, please do ping me, because I'll be sending out after the holidays, because I don't want it to be held on to the post office now. I want all the old ones to be cleared before I send it out, because the workshop is only on Jan 10th to Jan 14th in Insta, and you don't have to be on live to watch it. You can always watch it as a replay, because it's going to be in the stories, and also it will be saved in the highlights, and I will be sending you reminders every day, following up with any questions, everything, every single day, and you will get enough samples for you to try minimum 3 to 4 times. So that's how much you are going to get, because it depends on your length and how much product you need for that day. Because if you have what to say, like washed every other day or something, then you don't need that much. But if you have a longer period of time, then obviously you need more. These are sulfate free, paraben free, phthalate free, silicone free, no animal products, no they are not animal tested, they are completely vegan, and they are made in USA. So there are like tons of good things. So even if you are not looking for yourself, you can always think the hair plenish or hair balance for your kids too, because using a sulfate free shampoo is really good for them too. That's why I use it on my son. He's been using close to I would say he's been using hair recovery when we started, and now he is moved into the hair plenish. So now I give him a full set of hair plenish. That's the one he uses. So if you are still interested, please do message me. And I think from today I will be taking a break. You won't see me much. I may pop on here and there, but I'm also going to take a break for some time. And as I mentioned, I'm going to push a bump post from the past 3 years, like a throwback. That way you guys can travel back with me to see the post, where I started, how I traveled, all those stuff. So I'm going to be posting different things. So let's pick the winner for the candy cane. So let me pick it here. Let me change the view. Here I have added all the people. You can see how many entries I have given. So good luck to everyone. Let's see who is going to be our winner for today. Any guesses? Anyone? There are so many entries. Oh, Vimy is the winner. She lives right across me. So congratulations, Vimy. So you are the winner. So let me go back so I can deliver it to you in person. So I get to meet a chance. So Vimy, congratulations. So you will be the winner for candy cane. So and hope you all have a wonderful holidays and happy Christmas. And please do I'll be always available in any of the forms, like whether you want to message me, WhatsApp me, or anything. And all the packages for the hair care will be going on maybe Monday or Tuesday. So I'll be sending the tracking along with that. And the mystery bags may go today or tomorrow, based on because I need to wait until everyone claims. So I will wait till tonight and then send it tomorrow. So that's all. Hope you have enjoyed it, and have a wonderful day, guys.